This cuttlefish is delicious. Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you the other way of cooking cuttlefish. This way of cooking makes cuttlefish tender, juicy, and delicious. We'll just make incisions here so that when we put the condiments will penetrate the meat of this cuttlefish. You may also do like this. This. Okay. So, in this container, I will mix these ingredients such as breadcrumbs, grated parmesan cheese. Oh, my container is small, so I change the container. Just little because parmesan cheese has already salt. Okay, and then mix them all. And then it's time to put these condiments on top of each cuttlefish. Here they are. After 25 minutes of cooking in the oven, here they are. They reduced in size because they shrunk. Let's taste. This cuttlefish is cooked perfectly. It is not like a rubber. It is tender. It's tender and juicy. This is really tasty. The parmesan cheese added that savory taste on this cuttlefish. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you for watching.